A place that I miss in France is the south of France. And a dish that reminds me of it is the ratatouille. Beautiful vegetables on a bed of caramelized onion served with lamb cutlet. Yum. So first thing, you need to caramelize the onions very slowly with a bit of thyme, salt, pepper, and olive oil. I mean, this ratatouille is absolutely delicious, but it pairs so well with grilled lamb cutlet. With a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper, that is all you need. Place on top those Mediterranean vegetables: tomato, zucchini, and eggplant. Drizzle with olive oil, salt and pepper, thyme, and in the oven for 40 minutes. What I love about my Linärie Induction top here is I've got 4 individual burners, but if you've got a large pan like this one, this flexstone combined together with a touch of a button. And you know what's good about it? The heat is instant. I mean, come on. I mean, imagine char grilled lamb cutlet with fresh stewed vegetable all together. It's absolutely delicious. As I say, ratatouille, grilled lamb cutlet, glass of wine. I'm in the south of France. Hit the music. You know what I just realized? If you cook a classic French dish with a quality French appliance, you don't need to go to the south of France. Bon appétit, cheers.